So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this spinning gradient outline animation. So starting with the blank slide, go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Then change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to whatever color you want the background to be. For this video, I'll use black. Now go to Insert, Shapes, and a rounded rectangle, and add this in the center of the slide. To center it, go to Shape Format, Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Now go ahead and duplicate this shape by holding down Ctrl and dragging to the right. Now select the shape in the background and then the shape in the middle. Then click on Merge Shapes and select Subtract. Now position this second shape back in the center by going to Align and Align Center. Now scale the shape down by holding down Ctrl to scale it uniformly. Now change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to the same fill as the background. Now once again go to Insert, Shapes, and add a oval, but hold down Shift so it remains a circle. Make sure this circle completely covers the shape in the middle. Now once again, put this in the center by going to Shape Format, Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Now once again, change the shape outline to no outline, then right click the shape and click on Format Shape. Now change the fill to a gradient fill, and change the gradient to whatever colors you prefer. Then change the starting angle to 45 degrees, then go to Animations and select the Spin animation. Now click on the animation pane, right click this animation, go to Effect Options, and go to Timing. Change the start to Width Previous, duration to 2 seconds, and repeat until the end of the slide. Now click on OK and close the animation pane. Now right click the circle and click on Send to Back. Now you can insert your text box in the center to type in your title text. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel.